You know, this 52-year-old executive just texted me right now. He took action with my program and just landed his first digital marketing role, making 40% more than his old job. But here's what's crazy about his story. 6 months ago, Michael was terrified of even opening LinkedIn. He'd been in sales for 20 years. But when his company started talking about digital transformation, he felt completely lost. He told me he was embarrassed to ask basic questions in meetings. While younger colleagues threw around terms like conversion rates and customer acquisition, Michael just nodded along, hoping nobody would notice. But here's the thing that really got to me. He said he felt invisible. The company was slowly pushing him toward early retirement, without saying it directly. That's when he found my age-adapted learning method. Instead of trying to learn everything at once like those overwhelming courses, we broke it down step by step. First week, just understanding what digital marketing actually means. Second week, learning one simple tool. Third week, creating his first campaign. But here's the part that blew my mind. By month 2, Michael wasn't just keeping up in meetings, he was leading them. His boss started asking him to present digital strategies to the board. The same guy who, 6 months earlier, was afraid to post on LinkedIn. And now, he just landed a digital marketing manager role at a Fortune 500 company. 40% salary increase, full benefits. And they specifically hired him because of his unique combination of life experience and digital skills. Here's what Michael told me yesterday. Peter, I'm not just surviving the digital age anymore, I'm thriving in it. The real question is, how many more professionals over 40 are sitting in meetings right now, feeling exactly like Michael did 6 months ago? Your experience isn't a disadvantage. It's your secret weapon. You just need the right system to unlock it. If you're ready to stop feeling behind and start using your experience to win in the digital world, then go to skilloradigital.com, that's skilloradigital.com, and see how professionals over 40 are turning decades of experience into real digital marketing careers. Click the link in the description, and let's get started today.